87% of people who pay someone to repair their credit, they end up getting back in credit trouble again within 2 years. But 98% of people who learn to do it themselves, they end up having great credit for a lifetime. The Build Credit to Build Wealth program will teach you how to understand credit and how it works. It'll show you how to increase your credit score hundreds of points within 30 days. It'll show you how to deal with student loans and tax liens. And then there's a bonus section, how to build your business credit for a 6-figure payout. Learn how to build your credit and use your credit as leverage so that you can build wealth with the Build Credit to Build Wealth online program. This program is so thorough that some have even used it to start their own credit repair business. Another revenue stream of income. Become a credit expert today. Go to mywealthroadmap.com and sign up for the Build Credit to Build Wealth online training program.